They hoped it would end, but Parkland Hospital once again has an increasing number of COVID patients.
In the last 3 to 4 weeks, we've seen numbers double here at Parkland.
Dr. Joseph Chang is their chief medical officer.
What that means is, we were hovering around 15, 20 patients a day, kind of just bouncing around for a few weeks. And then all of a sudden, we're just ticking up a little bit, up to about 40.
In the last 2 weeks, COVID hospitalizations went up 40% in Dallas County, 65% in Tarrant County. And new projections from UT Southwestern say numbers may return to summer 2020 levels if vaccination rates plateau and unvaccinated people don't make an effort to stop the spread. Here's Dallas County Health Director Dr. Philip Wong.
It just reinforces how important it is for people who, if they've not yet gotten the vaccine, please get the vaccine.
When it comes to kids, Children's Health has not seen a dramatic increase in cases and hospitalizations.
We know that this virus circulates in children.
Children's Health Chief of Infectious Disease Dr. Jeffrey Kahn is more concerned about the start of the school year.
But the issue is that the children are going to bring the virus back to their home. And if there are unvaccinated individuals in their house, individuals who can or who are eligible to be vaccinated, they're going to be at great risk for getting infected.
After talking to 3 North Texas doctors, I learned their message is the same.
That's an extremely, extremely important point I'd love to make.
Get vaccinated.
The admissions right now to our hospital are 0. Let me say that again. 0 vaccinated people. Every single acute COVID infection in the hospital is unvaccinated.
In Dallas, I'm Alex Rozier.